ProMach's a global company that offers an incredibly wide range of product offerings. We can do dry food, so those are big bag lines, kibble lines, kitty litter. You can do wet food in cups, in flexible pouches, cans certainly, and then you get into that treat line where we can do rawhide, different types of snacks, and then really kind of our general category is supplies. We can even do lines that would overwrap a bone. Different types of toys can all be included in that. And you can even pivot back to the point where we do pet care as shampoos or medicines or even additives for flavorings for their food. You know, it's a unique offering that we have with 54 brands that can offer such a wide range of applications. Now, specific to pet care, we can take those brands, boil them down, and really look at the brands that have product offers, industry expertise, industry knowledge, and really focus in on a customer and put together the right pieces to deliver a great solution. What we've done in pet care is really taken it a step further, not just say pet care as a whole. We've looked at it and said within that vertical market, there are needs for applications for dry food or kibble, wet food into a pouch, snacks, or just overall supplies that might include pet shampoos, nutraceuticals, additives, things like that. So we've really constructed the team to take it from maybe 16 of our best brands to cover pet care as a whole, but we've also really refined it down to 5 or 6 brands that may be engaged in a dry food line, a wet food line, a snack line, whatever that may be. So we can really get close to the customer and offer the right solutions. The core of those start upstream with companies like Statco DSI that can do the blending and mixing of food. Then you go step down and we've acquired Zochme recently, which is an industry leader in the canning world. So it's a great fit into the pet care market. Organizations like Allpacks with their ability to do retort and sterilization. And then we really have a mixture of companies downstream like Matrix and Bartelt for flexible packaging, and then our palletizing and case packing companies like Brenton and Quest, what they can offer to the specific applications. And then layering through all of it is ID Technologies with their ability to mark and code virtually on any product and then deliver a print and apply labeling system. We've taken these innovations from interactions with pet care companies, right? So as we create this vertical market team and we can get close to our pet care companies and they tell us what they need, we're able to work with them and really utilize the voice of customer to drive innovation in these different applications. 2 things that we really focus on are ease of use due to the challenges that we have with operators. I think that's common across every business in the world right now. So really we're driving innovation at the pet care level to say, do we have an operator-friendly machine? When we do voice of customer, when we talk about innovations at the brand level, it's around ease of use, which gives you uptime. And then second of all, floor space. There's some things like the immersive flow here that's going to allow for smaller areas for production. It's costly to have floor space, so if we can shrink those functions and still deliver throughput, it's a value to the customer. One of the things that ProMach can really bring forward, especially in the pet care market, is our ability to integrate and deliver full solutions. Our integration company, Zarpak, can work with our pet care brands and bring it forward to say, I need a full line. They can select the ProMach brands that make sense for those applications. So we can do that complete turnkey, whether it's from engineering through design, completely through startup and completion.